Hi everyone, I am from ABS team. This video is to teach you the way to use Transaction Enquiry to find previous invoice. Now go to Utility. Choose Transaction Enquiry. Click Create Filter. Then click Add Condition. You can choose which number you want to use it to find. Then key in the value. After that, click the Previous or Next button to adjust the date you want. You can preview the Folio report here if you want. If you want to edit, just click the Edit button. Then you can change the information here after you click the Edit button. You also can preview and edit the payment and charges if needed. After that, just click Done. Hope this can help you understand better on the way to preview the previous invoice through Transaction Enquiry. Thank you.